wants, it's using a grid. So instead of using a fixed stop loss, okay, you can use a grid. So you can choose, for example, the distance between every trade and the other trade. So let's say I want to enter a sell every time the market goes 30 pips against me, and I want to close everything every time the market has a total profit on the grid of 50 pips. And I want to have, like here, it's best to understand how it works is to try it. So if you have like $10,000 account and you have here 100 grid lots, this will give you like on every entry around 0.01 on a $1,000 account. So if you have like, if you want 0.02, you can put 200, okay? So here it's like best to experiment a little bit with it on a demo account to understand how the lot sizes work with the grid, okay? So this is the last option. This is the grid. And this is usually good at extreme levels. Like, for example, if you want to trade the breakout levels in the Camarilla, this is a good idea. If you want to trade, for example, here, like you see that we have a lot of order blocks in smart money. Also, it's a good idea. So it's best to use grids when you have like a very high confidence that the market will reverse at some point, but you are not sure at which point. But you have very high confidence because of how many order blocks you have or something like that.